I don't think you can separate Jesus and justice. They go together. My desire to follow Christ and love my neighbor is what motivates me to be a community advocate. My name's Marlena Graves, and I am the Director of Communications at the Farm Labor Organizing Committee, or FLOC for short. I like to say that we are modern-day abolitionists. FLOC is a union for mostly farm workers. My job is to make sure that the world knows what's going on with them, what human rights abuses are occurring. But that's one thing that makes FLOC distinct, in that we empower the voiceless to speak for themselves, and we come to help them. We take our assignments from them, what they would like to see done, and we work with them to accomplish it. My husband and I would talk constantly about what I was going to do. He said, Marlena, why don't you just go to seminary? You've always wanted to go to seminary. Coming to Northeastern Seminary was the best decision I've made, because everything I've done has flowed out of being here. After I made that decision to come and enrolled in the classes, I had peace for the 4 years that I was here. I remember reading in church history about how the Christians started the first schools, hospitals, and all the good organizations in their community Christians were primarily responsible for. And that really struck me. The Christians' goodness was such a testimony. It's their concrete goodness, not just their theology, but how they reached out to those in their community and even risked their own lives and their own health to help people that didn't believe in God. And I took note when I read that. And that's the kind of person I wanted to become. I wanted to show concrete goodness in my life with God's help. What makes me extremely passionate is that the kingdom of God is a level playing field. Jesus came, and it doesn't matter whether we're rich or poor, documented or undocumented, we all have the same access to God. I ask myself, what am I supposed to do, and how am I supposed to live? If there's unjust laws everywhere I go in the world, I carry Northeastern Seminary with me, because Northeastern has played a major role in my spiritual formation, in the way I see the world, in the way I live in the world.